Hello guys, it is my phone Morotola G41. This version 6GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Open box, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, on the back side triple camera LED, on the front side display 6.4 inch, on this side power key and warm keys, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, upside headphones jack, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay. Turn on device, we have OLED display 60 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information. We have Android 11, CPU MediaTek MT6769, octa-core 6 plus 2 cores, GPU Mali G52. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Close this. Look into the benchmark results. Into the benchmark results, okay. Close this and run the modern game GTA San Andreas. Offline mode. Game works on the max graphic level. Game works perfect on the max graphic level. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.